What if I told you the world's tallest indoor waterfall is inside an airport? This is the HSBC Rain Vortex at Changi Airport in Singapore. It stands 40 meters high, cascading through the heart of a giant glass dome. The water creates a mesmerizing curtain that looks almost magical from every angle, turning the entire space into a living piece of art. Surrounding the waterfall is the lush Shiseido Forest Valley, with tropical plants, walking trails, and hidden corners that make you forget you're inside an airport. The best part, you don't even need a boarding pass, anyone can come and experience it. So next time you're in Singapore, don't just pass through the airport. Step inside Jewel and witness this unforgettable sight.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.